Very good morning, students. So today we're going to continue with the adjectives topic, and I was trying to upload the video, but I couldn't upload the video, so I had to make another video. And so here we are. So we had discussed three types in the last lecture, and today we're going to go ahead with possessive adjectives. Now, remember one thing. The meanings of the words like possessive, interrogative, demonstrative, if you remember the meanings of these words, meaning, okay, then it will be very easy for you to differentiate between what is a possessive pronoun, what is a possessive adjective, what is a possessive noun, right? So here also we are going to discuss about possessive adjective. Now, it denotes possession or ownership of noun or pronoun. जब ये चीज मेरी है या ये चीज तुम्हारी है या उसकी है. Examples are given here. My pen is missing. मेरा पेन मिसिंग है. My. तो मैंने my जब यूज करा तो मैंने possess कर लिया. This pen, which is a noun, is my possession. Right? ये मेरा है. So I am using the adjective my with a noun or a pronoun. Now, another hint that you can easily, find out if this is a possessive adjective. The hint is it answers the question whose. कि pen is missing. For example, my नहीं होता यहाँ पे. Okay. For example, my is not there. The sentence is only pen is missing. Whose pen? Your pen, his pen, her pen, my pen. Whose pen? Okay. So if the answer is coming after reading your complete sentence, if the answer is coming whose pen, my pen is missing, so then it is a part of your possessive adjective. Same is your shirt is stained. Shirt is stained. If the sentence is only shirt is stained, if you ask a question from this sentence that whose shirt is stained, then the answer comes in the sentence only your shirt is stained. Is his dog his dog. Is his dog मतलब वो उसका dog है. Is his dog. Her shoes are red. Shoes are red. Whose shoes are red? Her shoes or his shoes. Okay. Same way when we come to demonstrative, it points out which person, animal, thing is being spoken about. किसके बारे में बात हो रही है. Example is the question from the sentence that you will ask is which. Okay. So this is used for a singular noun. The word this, THIS, is used for a singular noun. We all know that. That is near the speaker. जो speaker के पास है. Like for example, this laptop is mine. Okay. These is used for a plural noun that is near the speaker again. For example, I have a pile of books here. There's बहुत सारी books हैं अगर यहाँ पे. So I can say these books are mine. Again, they are near me. That's why I'm using the word these. When we use the word that is used for a singular noun, but it is used for things which are far from me. Like that is a couch. Okay, it is far from me, but we are talking about one couch. So we are using the word that. Then we are using the adjective those. Those is used for plural things, but the things which are far from me. Okay, those are the books which are of library. Okay, so if you can ask a question from the sentence that which, which books are you talking about? I'm talking about these books. I'm talking about those books which are far from me. So when the sentence, if you ask the sentence a question, which, for example, this cat is fat. Which cat? Which cat is fat? For example, there are two cats in the room and somebody says that this cat is fat. So I ask a question from that person, which cat are you talking about? So that person says this cat, जो मेरे पास बैठी है, this. This means this thing is near to me. Okay. That stick is long. That stick is long. वो जो stick है, डंडी है, वो long है. Which stick is long? For example, there are 4 sticks in the room. So I say that stick. which is far from me. That अगर मैंने word use करते that means it is far from me. Then those samosas are hot. Okay. Now for example there are 2 plates of samosas kept. एक मेरे पास है, एक थोड़ी दूर है. I say those samosas are hot. क्योंकि वो दूर है तो I'm using the word those. ठीक है. So you need to understand, you need to remember this. These is used for things which are near to me, but वो एक से ज्यादा है. ठीक है. For example, these books are kept here. Those books are kept there. क्योंकि वो books मुझसे दूर है, so I'm using those. Okay. So these, those, this, that, you need to remember this forever. If you want to improve your speaking skills, your grammatical, if you want to improve your grammar, how to speak, this, those, that, this is very important that you remember forever. Right? For making simple sentences also, you need these words like this, that, those, these. Right? So I hope it's very, very clear. Then comes your interrogative adjective. For example, like you all know, interrogative मतलब interrogate करना. जैसे you must have seen CID, है ना? If you have not seen, just go and watch one episode. ठीक है? And you will see that वहाँ पे क्या होता है CID में they are if there is a criminal or if there is a person जिसको सोचा गया that this person can be the criminal or is a suspected person, so that person is being asked questions. उस इंसान से question पूछे जाते हैं. फिर आप इस टाइम पे कहाँ थे? Where were you? At that time, what were you wearing? What did you eat that day? What time did you leave your home? So these questions CID asks the person जिस पे शक होता है. So it is called interrogation. This process जब CID किसी इंसान से questions पूछ रही है क्योंकि वो उस पे doubt कर रही है. So that is called interrogation. ठीक है. So interrogative adjective, the word interrogative means questions. Okay. So they are used before a noun. ये noun से पहले use होते हैं to ask questions. What are the words? What, whose, which. Now forms a WH question with the noun. Now remember that interrogative questions or interrogative adjectives will always start with WH. That means what, whose, whom, which, not how, because it is starting from HOW. So WH से जो start होता है, those are your interrogative adjectives. Okay. Next is your proper adjective. Proper adjective क्या होता है? Proper का मतलब क्या होता है? We tell you ना that please dress up properly. Proper बिल्कुल perfect होना चाहिए. So often adjectives are derived from proper nouns as adjectives of quality. We call them proper adjectives. For example, these are Tanjore paintings. Okay. These are Tanjore paintings. Let's go ahead. There's no other example. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay. He is following up the Canadian visa. Now, Canadian is an adjective. कौन सा visa? Which visa we are talking about? We're talking about Canadian visa. हैदराबादी बिरयानी is very tasty. बिरयानी तो बहुत सारी जगह पे मिलती है. But we are specifically talking about Hyderabadi biryani. So that is a proper adjective. I'm sorry. Next is participle adjectives. Okay. Folded paper, broken glass, cracked tile, tiring work. Folded paper मतलब जो papers folded होते हैं. Like when papers are folded. Folded paper. This is a folded paper. Okay. Broken glass. For example, I'll show you my phone only. Broken glass. You see, there are cracks. So it's a broken glass. Cracked tile. Tile क्या होती है जो जमीन पे the tiles which are kept, which are made, white tiles and gray and black tiles. There are a lot of colors of tiles, especially in the washrooms, in your bathrooms, there are tiles on the floor. So cracked tile मतलब टूटी हुई, cracked है, टूटी नहीं हुई है, crack है उसके बीच में, दरार है. Then tiring work. ये काम बहुत tiring है. I am getting very tired. ठीक है. So the words in red are examples of present or past participle form of the verb. What is a verb now? Verb are the action words. I am speaking. Speaking is a verb. I am studying. Studying is a verb. So here they are saying the words in red, which is folded paper, broken glass, cracked tile, these words are present or past participle forms of the verb but are used as adjectives. लेकिन इनको as adjectives use किया जाता है. Such adjectives ending with ed, जो adjectives ed से खत्म होते हैं या ing से, tiring ing है, are known as participle adjectives. So the main recognition of these participle adjectives is या तो ये word के पीछे ed होगा या ing होगा. Like folded में ed है, broken में en है, ed है, past tense, past or present. ठीक है. Broken glass is a present participle verb, and when we talk about folded paper or cracked tile, then it is a past participle. Okay, then because they have the same ending as verb participles. All right, examples have been given here. Vani's talking parrot imitates mother to perfection. What is the meaning of the sentences? Vani is a girl जिसका parrot imitate मतलब copy करना, नकल करना. Imitates mother, वानी की जो mother है उसको imitate करता है to perfection. बिल्कुल perfect उनकी copy करता है या imitate करता है. Next, the bored boy began to fidget with the things kept on the table. Now the meaning of fidget, the meaning of fidget is जब हम अपने टेबल पे बैठे हैं फॉर एग्जांपल एंड यू नो कभी मैंने पेन अपना उठाया, कभी मैंने नोटबुक उठाई, कभी मैं ऐसे देख रही हूँ, कभी मैं अपने ईयरफोन के साथ ऐसे कर रही हूँ. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड फिजिटिंग व्हेन यू आर नॉट सिटिंग प्रॉपर्ली, यू आर मूविंग ऑल द टाइम, राइट. So a bored boy began to fidget. एक बॉय जो बहुत बोर हो चुका था, he was fidgeting with the things जो टेबल पे पड़ी थी, उन सब चीजों के साथ खेलने लग गया एकदम ऐसे. कभी पेंसिल बॉक्स टच किया, कभी बुक खोली, कभी पेज टर्न्स कर रहा है. Sometimes he is writing or drawing something. So this is called fidgeting. या अपनी bottle उठाई, कभी पानी पिया, कभी right गए, कभी left गए. This is called fidgeting. You are moving all the time. ठीक है. So bold word will be an example of participle adjective. Growing children need good food to grow strong and healthy. So growing is your participle adjective. If we talk about the first one, Mani's talking parrot imitates mother to perfection. Talking, because we said ed, en or ing. These all words are your examples of participle adjectives. Now you are going to do the back exercise. All right. I'll just make you understand the questions, and I will tell you how to write it in the notebook. Identify the adjectives in the following sentences and state their kind. So आपको पहले तो adjective ढूंढना है कि sentence में कौन सा है, and then what type of adjective it is that you have to write. Okay. Then in the next question, it is fill in the blanks by choosing the appropriate word from the box given below. जो words in the box which are given, you have to choose one answer for one blank. For example, A, I'll read, dash child should be vaccinated. Flat. See, the best way to find the correct answer is using every word in all the blanks. For example, For example, in A sentence, you will use the word flat, the first word there here. तो आप flat बोलो, लिखो, मतलब लिखो नहीं, sorry, बोलो, flat child should be vaccinated. Does it make sense? Flat मतलब सीधा, doesn't make sense. Every child should be vaccinated. Does it make sense? Every child, हर एक बच्चे को vaccination मिलना चाहिए. Yes, that is the correct answer. So the best way is that you try all the words in each sentence so that and think that does it make any sense? क्या इसका कोई meaning बन रहा है? If बन रहा है, then it is your correct answer. All right. Let me go ahead. Next question is, again in this sentence you have to find in the following passage one word adjective has been omitted in each. One second. sorry. So has been omitted in each line. So एक word adjective हटाया गया है एक हर एक लाइन हर एक सेंटेंस में से. So write the missing word. कौन सा word missing है that you have to write in the sentence of the given paragraph along with the word that comes before and the word that comes after it in the space provided. So you have to first find the missing word. For example, in this Sunday we are throwing a party. So this Sunday is missing. यहाँ पे this होना चाहिए था. हमें क्या पता कौन सा Sunday? We don't know. So you have to always think that does this sentence have the complete information? कि which Sunday are we talking about? So this Sunday. And this से पहले भी एक word आएगा on this Sunday, right? And afterward you will also write Sunday. लिख दिया यहाँ पे इसके पहले this आना था उसके पहले on आएगा. So that's how they have done before. Missing word आना चाहिए on. Missing word is this and afterward is Sunday, which is written here. Okay. So you have to find the missing word. Then uska before and afterward you have to write. All right. Formation of adjectives. How do I form adjectives? Add an appropriate prefix or suffix to the word. Okay. So again, very simple. It is आपको adjectives बनाने हैं. Okay. Example, unfortunate का बन जाता है unfortunate. Comfortable becomes uncomfortable. Just becomes unjust. Mature becomes immature. I am. So prefix means जो word के पहले लगते हैं. ठीक है. And like they have said, prefix or suffix. Suffix होते हैं जो words बाद में लगते हैं. Just to make the opposite word of it. ठीक है. So prefix are like this, im, un, ir, non. When added before a certain words will make adjective which have opposite or negative meaning. Got it? So you can use these prefix. Then we have the fill in the blanks with adjective forms of the words given in the bracket. So power का आपको adjective form लिखना है. Harry Potter had a dash enemy. Power. See, if you will see the suffix, see here. Suffix are the words where you are using the word like full. So यहाँ क्या होगा? Powerful enemy. ठीक है? So it's easy. It's no difficult. Let me just zoom out. Just do till here today. ये suffix and prefix भी I think अभी आप रहने दो. Yes, so I think it will be easy because suffix are given here like y, कुछ words के पीछे y लगता है, al लगता है, ly, full लगता है. So you can take help from these and you can do this. It's very, very simple. All right, so I think till here. Tomorrow we will do degree of comparison. But before that, please complete all your exercise. And if you have any problem, please message me, send me an audio note. I have no problem. I will reply you. All right. Thank you so much.